I just wanted to make a random video about the sound of typewriters or the loudness of typewriters. And I have here 3 typewriters: Underwood Noiseless Portable, Underwood Portable, and Groma Modell N. I also have a fourth typewriter, which is Japanese and from the 70s or 80s or something, which is really loud. So after that I bought this one, Groma Modell N, which is my favorite typewriter, I think, in regards of the touch, and it's much quieter than the Japanese one, which I don't have here, unfortunately. But the sound of the key is something like this, and so, of course, it's quite loud, I would say. So, as a comparison, this Underwood from 34, it's like the sound of the keys is quieter, and also typing is quieter, you know. I guess you can hear it's considerable difference. This is the Underwood Noiseless Portable, which really surprised me. The sound of the keys is even more quieter, or I don't know, it's kind of the same but different. This machine really surprised me as how quiet it is. It's not very much quieter than this one, but still, you know, you can hear the clacking. But this one, though, I can try to write down. It is different, you know, which is great. Really quiet. I mean, okay, that's it. Take care.